go like this all the way.
Oh my god. I was fucked.
Alright guys, we're here with Sarah today. So Sarah, just tell us a little bit about yourself in terms of what you do, day to day, and a bit about your sort of like training, health and fitness.
Yeah, cool. So my name's Sarah, I'm a hairdresser, and always blow drying on the daily, and I feel that my shoulders having a bit of trouble nowadays. And I do CrossFit, so I felt that a couple of the movements are kind of irritating that shoulder now. So it'd be cool to get that checked out by you.
Alright, so in terms of your hair, how long have you been doing hairdressing for?
I think about 10 years,
10 years. And you're right side dominant, obviously. Yeah. Okay. And when have you noticed like the issues in the shoulder when they've started to get worse?
It comes and goes, but usually when I'm doing a lot of blow drying in the salon, and then when I go to training and I'm doing a lot of like overhead, especially like snatches, so that's when I find it's really aggravated. So I try to rest that a little bit, but And does it affect you when you're sleeping or anything like that as well? Yeah, it does. It's kind of like limited range of motion.
Motion as well. So it affects like work, sleep and training as well.
Yes.
Do you get any referred pain down your arms or any pins and needles, numbness, anything like that? Or is it pretty locally within the shoulder?
It's pretty much in the shoulder at this point. Yeah.
Anything more front, top, or just behind the back or behind the shoulder blade?
I think it's in through that little.
So groove there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't really know what that's called. Yeah.
Posterior, yeah. Okay, cool. Alright, so what we'll do, basically we'll run a few tests with you, do some adjustments which you're looking forward to, and then we'll go from there, alright? Okay. Cool. Alright, so first thing we'll do, I'll get you on your back and we'll go face up. So I'm just going to test your hip flexor strength, alright? So just holding that there and resist. And we'll go again and strong. Flush there. Even worse on that side. So when we're testing that, it's just testing how the lower back and pelvic area is working. So when that's functioning well, that should be able to resist that. It's obviously showing as we expect that there's a few issues going on, okay?
Yeah.
So do you get any issues with your knees or ankles?
Yeah, definitely. I've got flat feet, so always like knees from time to time, especially this leg. Now that I've got my injury on my ankle, I feel like pins and needles kind of shooting up, sometimes like pops in the back and clicks and everything.
Where do you describe the pins and needles like in terms of where it comes and goes to?
I'd say kind of like near my calf area.
So again, the pins and needles, is it extending from your lower back?
Yeah,
through to there,
but very on and off.
Okay.
But then, a lot of like pops and stuff through the hammies, so I don't know if it's all related.
Yeah, I mean you tested weak on both sides, but particularly this left side, so I'll get that up there, that one. Okay, I'll just do some light release work in here. This will suck a bit. It does?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot better than that. That's number 2 reel, just to get them wild.
I'm going clammy now.
Going where?
Clammy.
Just relax that one. This one won't be too enjoyable either.
Okay.
So this is a little muscle called the popliteus that locks and unlocks the knee, so a lot of, it can be a bit of a... Okay. Alright, so we'll do some hip flexor release.
Okay.
So we'll start with this left side, so you're breathing in as I raise it up, and breathe out as we lower it. And in on the way up, out on the way down. In on the way up, out on the way down. In on the way up, out on the way down. And in on the way up, and out on the way down. In on the way up, out on the way down. Same thing this way. Yep, maybe that. There's all your breath work practices coming all at once. We've come to release some trauma today, have we? I'm a certified trauma release coach. Sorry, trauma inducing coach. sitting up facing this way. Oh, that's not great. A little bit in there, okay. To the left of the way. Yeah, a bit restricted, so you can't quite go all the way left. Any pain there?
Just through here.
Yeah. And the right? Better on that side.
Yeah, and the pain's like through the
But you're
neck
getting some
a bit.
pain there, okay. That one there, okay. So we'll get you on your back for me, thank you. Face up, just with your knees about there.
Oh no.
Yeah, coming down, so the knees are facing about there. Perfect, yep, good. Just laying back. So we'll get your hair through this little loop here. And in the way, yep, perfect. Okay, chin up. All the way. That's it. The more we can hook it in, yep, perfect. Okay, so this is a Y strap, okay? So this is going to just place a bit of pressure here. I'm just going to put some tension on it and pull down, okay? So that's just going to decompress the spine there. So just relax, just keep your legs relaxed. I'll let them down.
Want my legs?
Yep, like that, yep, that's it, perfect. And just go like this all the way.
Oh my god. I was fucked.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
How was it?
It was crunchy.
It was crunchy?
It was very crunchy. But I felt good.
Felt good. So you said 5 seconds ago.
Oh.
Alright. And we're predominantly sort of feeling it when we do that, because
That
some
was
people
all through the neck, like through there.
through the base of the neck and all the way up.
Yeah.
Okay. That left, yeah. Touching left.
It sounds worse than what it is.
Exactly. Yeah, just like that. There we go. Cool. Have a look at your jaw. You're opening your jaw. Yeah, see that? Very. And it just starts
Crunchy.
opening it. Yeah, and it starts deviating. Right. Okay. So what we'll do some jaw work, alright? So this doesn't feel $1,000,000, but
It actually feels good.
okay. Got a tough one here, do we? Yeah. So this is just basically, it's called the TMJ joint. It's basically where the jaw sort of hooks in there, so it's just not moving properly. That's why we're getting a lot of that clicking, and it's not sort of going straight up and down. Alright. Pretty sore on that? Yeah. Alright, and this way here. Okay, and straight up again. We'll use this tool, okay, so this can help us get more movement to the joint.
Yeah.
So just keep opening it up and hold there. And close and open and close and open. Yeah. What we'll do, this one, so looking to the right all the way and just open, close and open, hold, just going to go, okay? Yeah. And other side, exact same. And open, close and open and hold that there. Okay, back to neutral, and open, and close, and open, close, and open, close. Hold that one there. Just got a bit of bit of pressure on that guy. Okay, and again open, and close, and open. Okay. All right, so I'll get you on your tummy for me, thank you. Yeah, so it's still like the clicking's a bit better. There's still a little bit of clicking there, but at least like it's starting to translate like up and down.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. This is the signature dish. This one. Okay. Yeah, still a bit. Only marginally shorter on that left side, but you're a bit rotated. So your pelvis is like this. That's me exaggerating it though. This one will suck. And right leg outwards. And in. And out. And in. And out. And in. And out. And in. And that right leg straight and raise it up. As high as you can go. As high as you can go. And down. And up again. Oh Jesus. And down. You've been teaching you some Muay Thai. Left one up.
Left?
Have my head taken off. Left one up, yeah. Left one, yeah. And down. And up. And down. And go again. And up. And down. Right side. So, okay, go. Alright, so what we'll do, I'll get you on your side facing towards this way. Okay. Yeah, just bending that top thing. Alright, there.
Oh.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll bring that up. Yeah. There we go, cool. Other side, thank you.
I'm so sweaty.
That one. There we go. And on your back for me again, thank you. So we'll test that, the hip flexors again. So get that right leg up. Push. She got a bit of fight this time. Yep. Push, 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 push. Okay, so we'll get you, sort of release this one a bit different. Okay, hold that there and going outwards and inwards. So going out, yeah, and in, and out, and out. And breathing whilst you're doing it. And out, and back to neutral, yep. And again now pushing up. Push, push. Good, hands sitting up facing that way, thanks. Alright. Okay, so we'll get your arms up. Hands on my hands.
Sorry.
And that's right. I'll get my head moving, I guess. Meditate. Elbows in. And elbows in a bit more, but relax. And breathe in. And out.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. Yep. And to the left all the way. To the right all the way. Good. Let's release this one. Okay. So with this one, get your arms like you're just doing a shoulder press. I'm going to come in about there, okay? So then that one, yep, and go. Okay? You're hanging on for dear life, yeah?
Oh, there's the pain there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a shooting pain.
Yeah. And on your side, facing that way, again, still. Yeah. This one, so arm will be going up and down, like, yeah.
You're like...
This is more of a lat release, whereas the other one's more of a sub-scap release.
Yeah.
So. Okay. All right, and sitting up again.
Jelly.
And last thing we'll do like an overhead press, just on the right side. Just on your right side, yep. And up. And up. Okay. That's right. Okay. Cool, that one there. Right arm push. Good. That one. Push. Good. And just doing this with your right arm. Any discomfort?
No.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Good. Cool. And right arm like this. Right, push. Good. Left one up. Push. Good. Beautiful.
There you go.
Did very well.
Yeah,
Very good.
you.
Yeah, so it's one of those things like when you get like, obviously, like what's going on, you get a lot of overuse with the right arm when doing ab work, and that will just affect you with your training. When you're cutting hair, everything will be like this. That's going to affect your thoracic mobility as well. So if you work on like, you know, things like using like a peanut ball, do stuff to open up your pec, open up your thoracic mobility, that will sort of help, and just like lat release as well will help with what's going on.
Oh, thank you so much.
All good.